Good morning, children. Welcome back to the EVS class. In last class, we have learned the lesson more about plants. Yes, that is lesson number 9, more about plants. So, can anyone tell which are the topic that we have learned in this lesson? We have learned some main points, right? Which are those? First one, about what we have learned in the last class? Tree. We have discussed about this topic tree and what? Hmm? What it is? Next. Next. Very good. Next. Creepers. Yes. I have already explained about these topics. So once again, I will explain once again. I will explain to you all about all these topics, and next we will proceed to the next topics. Okay. So first I will take tree. When you see your surroundings, you can see many plants. All are in same size. All plants are in same size. Yes? No. Some are small and some are big. So we have different names for all those plants. Okay. See here. Now, a tall and a big plant is called what? Shrub. Correct? Yes. Yes. A tall and big plant is called shrubs. Correct? Then what it is? Very good. A tall and big plant is called tree. Very good. A tall and big plant is called a tree. A tree has listen carefully what I am telling. A tree has a weak stem. Correct? Then what? Tell me the correct sentence. What? A tree has a weak and green stem. A tree has a weak and green stem. Am I correct? Then tell me the correct sentence. What? A tree has a listen. Listen. Shh. Shh. Listen. Mute. A tree has a thick and woody stem. Correct? A big and tall plant is called tree, and a tree has a thick and woody stem. ये जो रहता है ना stem, it is thick and woody. Woody means the color of the stem is woody, that is brown color बोल सकते हैं, chocolatey brown, right? A tree has a thick, strong and woody main stem called a trunk, and this is called, this part of the tree is called what? This part of the plant, this part of the tree is called trunk, which is thick, strong and woody in color. A tree can have many branches. A tree can have many branches. Not only 1, 2, 3 like that. It may have many branches. Example of trees are banyan tree. You might have seen banyan trees, mango trees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You just stand and observe all those trees. उसका stem कैसा है? How that trees trunks are, about the stems, everything, leaves and the fruit, everything you have to observe. Example of trees are banyan tree, neem tree and mango tree. These all about the trees. Okay. A tall and big plant is called tree, and it has thick, strong and woody stem, that is called trunk. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the tester. Okay. Next is shrubs. Shrubs means a small plant with a woody stem. A small plant with a woody stem is called shrub. See, it's a small plant. A small plant with a woody stem. इसका stem weak नहीं रहता है. It got a strong stem और ये छोटा रहता है. That is called shrub. The best example for shrub is rose plant, cotton plant and tulsi plant. Yes, no, tomato plant's stem is green in color. That stem, ये जो बीच में का आता है ना, आपको ये ऑब्जर्व करना है. ये stem जो रहता है, it should be woody in color. Means it should be strong, thick रहता है. For example, I will show you one plant. I have one plant here. See this stem. It is in which color? Brown color. That is called woody stem. This is called shrub. Okay, this is called shrub. It is small in size, but still it has a woody stem with a lot many branches. So this is called shrub. Remember one thing, the plant which has woody stem and it is small in size, that is called shrub. And the example for shrubs are rose plant, cotton plant and tulsi. You can even see those tulsi plants. उसका जो stem रहता है वो भी brown color में रहता है. That is called woody in color. Okay. Yes. Tulsi also is a shrub. It is a medicinal plant, but still it has a woody stem. That's why we have considered tulsi plant in shrub. Okay. Next is herbs. Herbs. What is the difference between shrubs and herbs? Herbs, a small plant with a soft and green stem. Herbs which has a green stem, soft and green stem. I have one more plant. Just a minute, I'll show you. See here. I have one more plant. We can take this in shrub because it has a green stem. You can see this stem. This is called what? Root, correct? This is root. Yes, this is root.
Yes.
Are is this root? What it is? Every time I am asking you the wrong question and you are telling yes ma'am. That means listen. Shh. Mute. You have to listen my teaching carefully. Every time I am asking you a twisted question, wrong question, but still you people are blindly telling yes ma'am, yes ma'am. I asked, this is a root. You said yes. Is this a root?
No, ma'am.
अगर ये रूट है, अगर ये रूट है तो ये क्या है? What it is?
Stem, ma'am. Stem.
This is root. जो ग्राउंड के अंदर होता है that is root. What it is? Blindly you should not tell yes ma'am. Shh. Mute. See here, it has a soft green stem. So it comes in which what is that? इसमें कहाँ आता है ये? It comes in which category? Herb या shrub? Herb. Why? Why it comes in herbs category? Because it has a green and soft stem. See the color of this stem. It is green in color and it is very very soft. That's why it comes in herbs category. The other example for herbs are mint, spinach, grass, etc. You can see that simple grass which you can see outside. ग्रास जो रहता है, ग्रास आप तोड़ के देखिए तो भी उसका भी स्टेम ग्रीन कलर में होता है. That stem is also green in color. That's why we consider grass, mint, spinach and many other plants which comes under this category herbs. Okay, spinach means palak. पालक जो सब्जी आप खाते हो ना, that is called spinach. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next is climbers. Okay. Next is climbers, not creepers. Creepers not yet studied. Climbers. So climbers means what? Climbers means what?
Ma'am, some plants have weak stems.
Yes. Some plants have weak stem. They cannot grow upright on their own. See here.
They need support.
This is climbers. Climber, the word itself tells that climb, चढ़ना. Climbers means चढ़ना. उसको ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए कुछ चीज की जरूरत पड़ता है. That is called climbers. Here, see here, some plants have weak stem. Stem means this one. See here, मैंने dark किया है ना. This is stem. And some plants have weak stem. वो stem, that stem has not that much of strength to grow upright on their own. It needs support. It needs support of wall, stick or other plant. Understood? The best example for climbers are money plant. Yes, you can see money plant. And one more leaf is there. See, हम पान खाते हैं, पता है आपको? पान. वो पान के पत्ते का भी झाड़ कैसे होता है? Have you seen ever?
Yes.
It also comes in the category of climbers. That also can't grow upright on their own. It also need a support of other plant, wall or a stick. Because this stem is not that strong. It needs support of other plant, a stick and a wall. Then only it can grow upright. नहीं तो वो ऐसे गिर जाता है. अगर उसको कुछ support नहीं मिला तो वो ऐसे गिर जाता है. It need a support. And you can observe one more thing. When it grows upright with the help of some other stick, plant or wall, it also has a spring type of, see, spring type of something. You can say that is a small stem. ऐसे spring type के ये stem में से ऐसे spring type के कुछ बाहर आता है. It also gives support to this plant. ये spring type के जो extra stem आता है ना वो wall को या other plants को ऐसे पकड़ के it gives a grip. जहां भी आपको climbers दिखता है तो closely you observe all those climber plants. Okay, you need to observe each and everything. Observation is very very important. You can find this spring-like stem, a small stem, which gives support to this plant. ऊपर climb करने के लिए ये support देता है. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called climbers. So now once again I will explain about trees, shrubs, herbs, and climbers. Trees are the plant which is tall and big in size, and it has a strong, thick, and woody stem that is called trunk. And next is the shrubs. Shrubs, a small plant with a woody stem. A small plant with a thick woody stem is called shrubs. The best example for shrubs are cotton plant, rose plant. Okay. And next is herbs. Herbs have a weak and green stem. Okay. Sorry, not weak, soft and green stem. Herbs have a soft and green stem. That is called herbs. The example for herbs are mint, grass, and spinach. Next is climbers. Some plants have weak stem. Some plants have weak stem. They cannot grow upright on their own. They need support of some other plants, stick or walls. Okay. The example for these climbers are money plant, green pea plant, bean plant, etc. Okay. And next topic is, which we are going to learn today, is creepers. What is this creepers? Creepers means what?
A plant with a weak stem.
Yes, that grows along the ground. It will not stand. Praveen Patil, what you are presenting? Concentrate on class. Stop operating your mobile. A plant with a weak stem. Creeper means a plant with a weak stem which grow along the ground. It grow along the ground. ऐसे ground है हमारे जमीन, वो जमीन के ऊपर ही हो जाता है. It will not stand like a climber or like other shrubs and herbs. It grow along the ground. Okay. A plant with a weak stem that grow along the ground is called creeper. Pumpkin, gourd and watermelon are example of creepers. Have you seen pumpkin, watermelon? Gourd, rich gourd, bitter gourd, ऐसे एक वेजिटेबल में आता है. Okay, that is called gourd. Yes. You cannot, just a minute. I will share the gourd picture here. Just a minute, I'll share my screen. गार्ड को लौकी भी बोलते हैं. देखो, I cannot share my picture because it is recording. लौकी, गार्ड, सोरेकाई भी बोलते हैं कन्नड़ा में और हिंदी में उसे लौकी बोलते हैं. Okay, that also grow along the ground. And pumpkins, watermelon, when the fruit or that you take that gourd vegetable, it is so heavy, but the creeper, the plant is very weak. The plant stem is very weak, but the fruit which that creeper gives is very heavy. Yes or no? Pumpkin, weight कितना रहता है? And you take this watermelon. Yes or no? When the plants has very weak stem, they cannot even grow upward. It grow along with the ground. But look at that fruits and the vegetables which given by this creeper is very heavy. That is watermelon, pumpkin and gourd are the example for creepers. Now understood what is tree, herbs, shrubs and climber and creepers? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am. Tell once again.
Okay, no problem. See, first one is tree. Tell me the definition of tree. How you will identify that this is tree, this is herb, this is shrub, creeper and climber like that? Tree, a tall and a big plant is called tree. A tall and a big plant. See, a tall and a big plant is called tree, which has thick, strong and woody stem is called trunk.
Trunk.
This is tree. The example for trees are banyan tree, mango tree and neem tree.
Ma'am,
Huh?
plant, ma'am.
What?
Apple tree. Plant.
Apple tree. Have you seen apple tree? Is it tall, big and thick? Okay. Next is shrubs. Shrubs means a small plant with a woody stem is called shrubs. A small plant with a woody stem is called shrubs. It has many branches. Shrubs has many branches. See. A small and a which has a woody stem. A small plant with a woody stem is called shrubs. It has many branches. These all called branches. And the best example for shrubs are cotton plant and rose plant. Next is herbs. Herbs means what, children? It has a soft and green stem. It has a soft and green stem. Okay. That is called herbs. And the example for herbs are grass, mint, spinach. Even you can take coriander. Coriander का भी बहुत पतला सा और soft stem रहता है. Yes. And next is climbers. Climbers means it has a weak stem. Climbers, some plants have weak stem, they cannot grow upright on their own. वो ऐसे ही नहीं बड़े हो सकते हैं because the stems are very weak. They need the support of other plants, walls or sticks. Such plants are called climbers. The example for climbers are money plant, pea plant, green pea plant, bean plant, etc. And next is creepers. Creepers means a plant with a weak stem and that grow along the ground is called creeper. And the example for creepers are pumpkin, watermelon and gourd. Okay? And next is parts of plants. Next is parts of plants. Open page number 44. A plant has many parts. A plant has many parts. Here I will draw one plant. See here. What? कहाँ है? I didn't understand your question.
आप जो ड्राइंग बना रहे थे ना फ्लावर का,
हाँ.
उसको ना पार्ट का जवाब देना है.
जवाब देना है.
ओके मैम.
जवाब देना है. हर एक क्वेश्चन का जवाब देना है. And you all have to speak in only English in the class. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Look at this drawing. Even you have to draw.
Ma'am, you have to draw it.
No, not now. I will give you some work to do. That time you have to draw. Now, only you have to see. Is it looks like a plant or something else? Is it looking like a plant or no? What?
It looks like a plant.
Okay, thank you so much.
A flower plant.
Flower plant. Ah, I could draw only this much. I'm very weak. Huh? Leaf में? हाँ. See here. This is my plant. And here, a plant has many parts. As you can see here, it has many parts. Not only one stem, not only leaf. There are so many parts in plants as same as we have so many parts in our body. Right?
Yes ma'am.
I have only one head. Only hands? No, there are many other parts. many other body parts I have. Same, this plant also has many parts. Each part plays a specific role. Why we need this leaf? Why we want this flower, this bird, this small, you can see here, a fruit? Why we need all this in this plant? एक ही स्टेम होता तो चलता था ना, या only flower was enough, only leaf was enough. Why we need this root? Because the every part of this plant plays a specific role. Let us learn about some parts. Okay, here for second standard, ओ आपके लिए कितना चाहिए उतना ही दिए हैं. We will learn only that much. Okay, will not go in deep. At the end of the lesson, you will not be understand anything if I go in deep. Okay, only I will explain how much they have given here. First, when you see this plant, the first thing you can see or the first thing you observe that what that is, I can see this leaf. Okay, leaves.
Mom, leaf.
Yes. Why we need these leaves? Why we need these leaves?
Leaves make food for
Yes.
the
See,
plant.
in our home, how we have a specific room that is called a kitchen. Why we need kitchen? We need kitchen to cook food. That is one room where we cook food. Yes or no? The same way, in this plant also there are so many rooms where they do a particular work. Here, as you said, this leaves prepares food for the plant. So, leaves are called kitchen. Easy to remember. Why it is kitchen? Because it prepares food for the plant. How it prepares food? मुझे तो यहाँ कोई गैस नहीं दिख रहा है, कोई utensils means बर्तन नहीं दिख रहा है. I am unable to see anything over here. Then how it prepares food for the plant? It makes any magic? It is kind of magic. How? I'll explain. See, leaves make food for the plant by using water, sunlight, and other useful substances. Okay, which is available in our atmosphere. Atmosphere means हमारे आजू बाजू के जो वातावरण है, that is called atmosphere. This leaves prepares food for the plant by using water, sunlight. See ya, sun is smiling at you. See ya. These leaves prepares food for this plant by using sunlight, and they have given there by using water. From there they get water.
From the leaf.
Yes,
From rain.
from rain. यहाँ से जो see ya, यहाँ से जो पानी गिरता है रेन वाटर, इस रेन वाटर से ये फूड प्रिपेयर करता है.
No, ma'am.
Then how? Yes. Shh. Just a minute. You all are talking at a time. I am unable to hear anything here. Just a minute. Path. Path. See, Akhil, I know sunlight and water. What I am asking is, Akhil Mutwad, you said water. Which water? How? This rain water? Rainwater. See, in a year we get only 3 months as a rainy season. And what about Very good. Through this roots. Yes, you are correct, Akhil. रेन वाटर जो है वो ग्राउंड में पड़ता है. Okay, see, this is the rain water which falls. हाँ, यहाँ जो जब वाटर रहता है यहाँ ग्राउंड में, ये ग्राउंड वाटर जो है through this root, this root supplies water to this plant. This root supplies water to this plant. जो ऊपर से आता है उस पानी से कुछ होता नहीं है. The water which supplies from this root, वहां से हमें वहां से प्लांट फूड प्रिपेयर करता है. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the sunlight and the water it supplies from the roots and other substances, other useful substances from the atmosphere. Means other substance like वो बाद में आपको आएगा. There are some substances which helps this plant to prepare food. Okay. In second standard you just learn only this much, that the leaves prepares food for the plant with the help of sunlight, water and other substances. This much is enough for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. And next is tell me what it is.
Stem.
Very good. You all are so intelligent. Stem. About this I will explain in the next class because it is already 9:45. In next class you need to explain about all other parts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Chintan.